If you want to use voice to text on Samsung Galaxy Watch 8, here's what you need to do. So first I'm gonna show you an example based on the Play Store. In this case, if you try to search for something, you will of course open the keyboard, but if you want to use voice input or voice typing or voice to text, then we can swipe up from the bottom, and then over here we can tap on this microphone icon. If you do this for the first time, you will need to press continue and allow permissions, and then whatever you say out loud, it will be converted into a text. And then you can tap on this search in order to search for in this case of course, in order to search for whatever you're looking for. And of course you can also use it for messages as well. So if you open the messages app, and if you open any of these conversations, you should be able to find this microphone. You can tap on it in order to either create a voice message, but you can also find voice to text over here as well. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.